Hi guys, I'm Alex and here is the Fujitsu A3510 series laptop from 2020. It's similar to the new one, the A3511 series laptop, and it's a beautiful cheap laptop because it's very easy to disassembly. You can replace the keyboard easy. You can replace the battery, the solid state disk, and I'll show you in this quick video how easy it is. So first, but I don't show you that in this video, you have to remove this frame and screws and you can replace the screen. But I show you now how to upgrade this laptop, how to disassemble the laptop. So first, remove the screw. So now grab here, and now you can see the battery and the RAM. On the data sheet on the website of Fujitsu, they say the maximum for this A3510 and also for the A3511 series for Livebook, the maximum is 32 gigabytes. So you can replace this. I can grab here, left and right, and voila. Here in this i3 is a 8 gigabyte RAM. You can see it here, PC4 3200, and you can replace it or upgrade with two 16 gigabytes or two 8 gigabyte or whatever. So to replace the battery, you can see here is you can move it to this side, and now it's easy to replace the battery. In this model, the type is here. You can see I can write it in the description of this, but maybe there are different type of batteries worldwide. So that's this. And here you can see the solid state disk, NVMe. You can, it's very easy, remove this screw here. I remove it for you. And now you can use a plastic card or something. Voila. And now here is 256 gigabytes. Here the model, you can upgrade with 1 or 2 terabyte or whatever you want. So take it here. Yeah, it's also easy to replace the keyboard. So if you want to replace it, you have to remove this screw, KB for keyboard. Here, I remove it now for you. One. And here you have to use this, but be very careful. This plop. So, and now you can see another screw. I removed that screw too. Be very careful, here is a smaller screw than in the others. So I take it here. And now you can use a plastic card or something. Grab here, be very careful. So, and this is so easy. And now, oops. And now you can see here, to remove, open this plastic, this black plastic hole, be very careful. So now I can remove it, maybe. So now it's open, the clip here, and now I can remove it. Here is the German version of this keyboard. So now it's possible for you to change it to UK or US or whatever. So it's so easy. It's in US you say awesome. In Bavaria, in Franconia, Germany, we say despacho. Repeat it, despacho. That means it's awesome because the laptop is so easy to disassembly, and for the for 2020 or 21 or whatever. Now it's so easy to disassemble a laptop, and most of the new laptops are fixed. The keyboard is fixed on the top case or whatever, and this laptop is so easy to disassemble, to upgrade. And yeah, clip it back, and don't forget the connector here, put it back. But now at the last I want to show you, yeah, you can release this screw here, voila, and now you can some of the models comes with a DVD burner. This is only with this plastic. So now you can plug in a slimline burner, like this is an older model, SU208. There are different types. So now you can plug in here, but you need there are very different kind of this clips here. You need this one, so I don't have this here, but you can replace it with DVD burner, or replace it with a slot for a second hard disk. So it's cool to have this slot here. It's with SATA, maybe you can see it here. And the laptop have two USB 3 on the other side. This model, USB 3, USB-C, HDMI, network port. So such a cool, awesome, also in German, Despacho laptop, and I like it. For 400, 500 euros or dollar, it's so cool to have this laptop. Now, and the new model is the A3511. It's similar, maybe a little bit different, but it's the same thing. You have this only one screw, and you can open the slot for RAM and for the battery, and you can do this. So now back, and good luck on your own risk, and have a nice day.